In this how-to tutorial, I will show you how to create referral links that you can share, allowing you to earn commissions for your referrals trading activity. Once we are logged in, under the Partners menu, click Marketing Tools and then choose Links from the drop-down. Here, you will see any of your existing links as well as the ability to create new links. To create a new link, I will input a name in the Name field. We recommend you name it respective to the location you will share it. For example, if I wish to share a link on Instagram, I will name it Instagram and only share it there to track my traffic from Instagram. If I wish to share a link on YouTube, then I will create a separate link called YouTube and share it only there. This allows me to track my traffic sources independently. After I enter a name, I will select a landing page. This will be the page that anyone who clicks the link will be directed to. The registration page will take visitors straight to the sign-up page. The home page will take visitors to the home page of the GatesFX website, where they can read more about the benefits of trading with GatesFX prior to registration. Once I have set my landing page, I will click Continue to create the link. The newly created link now shows in my Link section, and I can click the Click to Copy button, and it is ready to be shared. To the right, I am also able to track my clicks and registrations for each link, which is why we recommend creating multiple links. Thanks for watching, and be sure to browse our other how-to videos to ensure you get the most out of your trading experience with GatesFX.